Hey everybody, Tiffany Solorio here. I am bringing you the 2019 holiday gift guide from scrapbook.com. I'm going to be featuring the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System. I'm super excited to try it out. I haven't used it or opened it yet, so I am going to try it out with you guys and show you how amazing it is. I've seen lots of videos and I can't wait to show you guys. All right, so we are going to take a look at the Glimmer Hot Foil System from Spellbinders. And I absolutely love this product because I already have a die cut machine. So you use your existing die cut machine with it. And this just sits on top of your desk. You can put it away when you're done. And we are going to open it and try it out together. So I'm super excited. Just wanted to show you guys the back of the box here. And let's flip this over. You guys can see here. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's smaller than I had thought, which is great. So it's packaged really nice, of course. Spellbinders does an amazing job. Okay, so you get your little guide here, instructions, and then this is the hot surface plate. Then you have the cord, 2 foils, which these colors are amazing, and then you have some foil plates, and I believe these are tweezers and some other plates and things, and then the whole thing that heats up everything right here. So I'm going to unwrap everything, put it all together, and get it heating up, and I will be back. Okay, so a couple things that I notice. First is it latches on the hot surface, connects in, and it's a good, nice, snug fit. And then on the back here, there's an on and off switch, which is really nice. And you can also tuck away the cord underneath here, which is amazing because I always am losing my hot glue gun cord. So that's great that you can just tuck it away underneath the system here. And I am going to turn it on. All right, so it's powering on, and I'm just going to set these here, and while they heat up. All right, so this booklet here has everything that comes in the package, and it names it and numbers it so you guys, so you know, you have an idea of what everything is, and of course warnings and all of that kind of stuff. And then it also has a guide to for the hot foil system, whatever your desired project is. So that's really good. And another one back here, so you can letterpress. And it has a guide to do the wafer thin dies, and then also the Glimmer Hot plates. So that's really cool, and it has tricks and techniques, so that's pretty cool as well. All right, I'm going to grab my Spellbinders machine, my die cut machine, and some cardstock so we can get going here. Okay, so it is ready, and we are going to start by getting the foil. I'm going to choose silver. All right, so we are ready to start our sandwich or building up so that we can foil some cardstock. So I'm choosing blue cardstock. I thought that was going to be really pretty with the silver foil here, and I want to make sure that I get enough. There we go. I think that should be good. Okay, and a tip was to cut off the corners. Just going to do that here. Hopefully I don't cut off too much. Okay, so we are ready to foil, and I cut this down to almost the size of the die cuts, or the dies. No, they're not dies. They are, what are they? Foil plates. Okay, I'm trying to get that pretty centered there. And these tweezers have a magnet in them, which is really nice. All right, so we have the foil plates. Then we're going to take the foil, which is the color side down. Probably could have cut this down a little bit more here. We're learning, we're learning. Okay, and I'm just going to place that there, just like that. And then we're going to take the cardstock. I'm going to lay it here. Hopefully I'm going to get this right. And then we are going to take the shim and then the spacer pad, the spacer plate, okay? And then you're going to take it out, move all this. And we are going to transfer it to the die cut machine and just run it through. All right, let's see how we did here. And the bottom of this is not really hot, which is nice. Okay, so I'm going to put that back in. Okay, so you see it here like this, and then we have that. Look what a super simple, fast card for a birthday, anything. So that's really neat. I probably could have ran it through again, but I did notice this cardstock is a little bit textured. So that's probably why I didn't get very good transfer there, but that is okay. Let's try again on some white cardstock with the, I think this is rose gold. Let's try something different here. I'm going to take this, there we go, and I'm going to set it, so there's this here, and I believe this is so that the foil plates can cool off there. And I'm going to there we go. I'm gonna put this on top. All right, and the cardstock that I'm using now is not textured like the last one. I did not think about that, which I should have. All right, so we're just going to lift up here. I'm going to put this back in here. Move that out of the way, and we are going to take a look. Look at how pretty that is. Ah, I cannot wait. I had purchased some other foil plates and different foils to try out with this machine. And I did notice I did not cut off the edges on this one to kind of frame. It's just a little bit too much excess foil on here. So that's why I think it transferred onto the paper there. But this is amazing. I cannot wait to make my Christmas cards with this. It's going to be so simple, and it heats up really fast. And like I said, it's not very, very hot. I can touch it. So you could do this separately. Okay. And then I'm just going to try that. So I'm going to put that here. Move this up. Okay. Right, we have a little piece here. I'm going to try. This is so simple. It's crazy. Okay. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put it down here. And I'm actually just going to do it on the back of this one. All right, we have the shim, then the spacer pad. Take it out and run it through. All right, so you guys are going to see here. I don't think it got all the way on there, but you could just use a really nice sentiment and call it a day. I think foil adds such elegance and just another level of it's just beautiful. I think. So that is a look at the Glimmer Hot Foil System. I am going to have so much fun playing around with it, and Abby has been just itching to play with it too, so I'm excited to have her make some cards as well. So yeah, that's a look at the Hot Foil System. All right, that is a look at the Glimmer Hot Foil System. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it on social media and with your friends. I really appreciate it. And leave me a comment down below letting me know if this item is something that you're interested in, or if you saw anything else in the scrapbook.com gift guide that you are wanting for Christmas this year. And be sure to check back at scrapbook.com's website for all of the deals and coupons that they are having this holiday season. Thanks for watching. Bye.